Algebra 2, this is Chapter 4, Section 2. This is going to be the second video of this section. This one's going to be subtracting matrices. So we're going to take the matrix A and we're going to subtract the matrix B. Again, just like addition, you need to make sure they are the same dimensions. So this is a 2 by 2 for A, and B is a 2 by 2. And they don't have to be 2 by 2s. They can be 2 by 7s or 7 by 4s. As long as they're both the same dimensions, you can go ahead and subtract them. So again, we do this element by element. So I look at the element 1, 1 and the element 1, 1. So 9 minus 3 is going to be a 6. And then I'm going to take element 2 and this second element, which is row 1, column 2, and row 1, column 2. So that's 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is a negative 4. And if you need to actually write that off to the side, you can write that off to the side and get your answers. The next one down here, this is going to be row 2, column 1. So it's a negative 4 minus 8. And remember our song, same sign, add and keep. This is a negative 4 and a negative 8, so they're both negative. So that's a 12. So add them and keep the sign, so it's a negative 12. And then the last one down here, this is row 2, column 2. So it's 7 minus 2, or 7, and it's minus a negative 2. And when you have two negatives in a row, you change that into addition, so it's actually 7 plus 2, which is 9. So that element there is 9. So when you subtracted these two matrices, that would be your resultant matrix. Let's go with one more example here. So I'm going to subtract matrix A from matrix B. Again, this is a 2 by 2, and this one is a 2 by 2. So we are allowed to do the subtraction. Let's go through element by element. So I have a 3 and a negative 2. So 3 minus a negative 2 is actually 3 plus 2, so that's 5. And then I have a 2 and a 1, so that's 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then I have my negative 1 and my 0, so negative 1 minus 0 is negative 1. And the last one down here is 0 and a negative 1, so it's 0 minus a negative 1. And minus a negative is addition, so it's 0 plus 1, which is just 1. And so here is my resultant matrix from subtracting A minus B.